How to install your new email account in Microsoft Outlook 2003. To create your new account, you go to Tools, Email Accounts, and then we'll choose Add a new email account. We can choose either POP3 or IMAP. I will do the sample with POP3. IMAP will be exactly the same. Next, your name. Type in my own name. Then the email address. That is the email address that either you have created in cPanel or somebody has created for you. In this case, info@calgarywebpagehosting.com, and of course for you that will be the email with your domain. The username, as you can see, it will automatically fill in info, but in this case the username is your full email address, so in this case @calgarywebpagehosting.com, and the password that has been created by you or given by you. Then the incoming mail server and outgoing mail server are both the same. They are mail.yourdomain.com, and of course yourdomain.com you'll have to replace with your real life domain. In this case it is mail.calgarywebpagehosting.com, and same for the outgoing. In this screen there's a log on using secure password authentication, SPA. Leave that off. When you check that, it will not work. And we can test the account settings. Establish network connection, basically looking for the server. It has found the incoming mail server, it has completed it, but it cannot send a test message because it has not found the outgoing mail server. So we know we have a problem here, and we can fix that right away under the More Settings button here. There's two things to fix. First, we need the outgoing server tab to check my outgoing server requires authentication and use same settings as my incoming mail server. That is correct. And in this case, the outgoing server port, by default it is on 25. That is the default SMTP or outgoing mail server port, and in a lot of cases the ISPs, your internet providers, can block port number 25. So for those people that have a blocked port 25 and have gotten the message that the outgoing server is not found, we can change that to port 26 and then click on OK, and then do the test account settings once more. And as you can see, I now have 5 green check marks. Incoming and outgoing are all found. So basically this is all done. The account is ready to go. But for those that want secure email, being encrypted email, we can use so-called secure socket layers, SSL, and it uses an encrypted connection. I can do that for both incoming server, and watch this 110 change to 995, and I can do that for the outgoing server. And when I check that, the outgoing server changes back to 25, but if we use SSL or encrypted connection for the outgoing server, we want to change the port to 465, and I will click on OK, and I will do the test account settings once more. And now we have 5 green check marks again, and we're using encrypted connections, secure connections. And we can click on Next, Finish, and we're now ready to send and receive emails through our newly created email account. That is how you can set up email in Microsoft Outlook 2003.